If you're looking to build a career in tech that's future ready and industry focused, you have clicked on the right video. Newton School of Technology is where the journey begins, and NSAT is your chance to prove you belong here. Hi, I'm Lakshita, and this is your complete guide to the Newton Scholastic Aptitude Test, which is NSAT. I'll walk you through each section of the test and how to prepare the right way to crack it. There's also an important update regarding this year's admission at the end of this video, so make sure you don't miss it. But first, what is NSAT? NSAT tests three main competencies: core mathematical concepts, logical and algorithmic reasoning, and written communication. Cracking NSAT depends on how quickly you can analyze problems, how clearly you can articulate solutions, and how effectively you apply mathematical reasoning, all of which are the foundational skills of computer science. Here's how it works: 80 multiple choice questions, 3 hours, 1 correct answer per question. The scoring system rewards accuracy. You will score +4 for every correct answer and -1 for every incorrect answer. You have complete flexibility to answer questions in any order of your preference. And finally, based on your NSAT performance, you will receive a standardized score showing how you compare to the other test takers. Let's break down the 3 sections of NSAT. Section 1 is mathematics. This section will have a mix of 30 questions of 2 difficulty levels. Basic maths covers concepts from class 10th, while advanced mathematics is based on class 12th topics. Do keep in mind that advanced mathematics section is mandatory and there is a sectional cutoff. Section 2 is general aptitude, which includes 30 questions that test your skills in algorithmic thinking, logical reasoning, and data interpretation. The final section is English, which will have 20 questions on reading comprehension and language reasoning. NSAT is an online test which you can take from the comfort of your own home. All you need is a quiet space, good internet speed, and a PC or a laptop. Please note that you cannot use a mobile phone or an iPad. Your device needs a working webcam and microphone as the test is fully proctored. NSAT rewards intentional practice and not hours of rote learning. Download the prep kit from our official website. It has sample questions that will help you evaluate the difficulty level, identify your gaps, and know exactly what to focus on. This link is in the description below. Once you sign up for NSAT, you will also receive 3 proctored mock tests in your user portal. These are basically practice runs of the actual test, and you will get a standardized score for each one as well. Now, let's talk about how to prepare for each section. For general aptitude, build your pattern recognition muscles. Practice logical puzzles daily, even if it is just for 15 minutes. For English, practice analyzing different types of text to sharpen your comprehension skills. For mathematics, revise your class 10th to 12th fundamentals, especially concepts around algebra, calculus, probability, and permutations and combinations. And now, it's time for a very important update regarding this year's admission. You are eligible for NSAT if you are an upcoming 12th 2026 pass out with 50% in PCM and overall aggregate. But also, if you are a 2024 or 2025 pass out with the same qualifications. So if things didn't work out the way you had planned, or you took a year-long gap to figure out what your next move is, or whatever your story is, you are still eligible, and this could be your second chance to build a real future in tech. Lastly, remember, NSAT is the first step towards shaping your own tech destiny. With the right mindset and preparation, you will excel. Best of luck on your journey with Newton School of Technology.